4598 adds military members as protected class beginning October 2024 in an effort to eliminate discrimination. Why is this important? It's Friday, September 20th, 2024. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty. This is the Maryland Eastern Shore Report. First, a protected class means that this classification has been added to the fair housing list of groups that have experienced discrimination in housing in the past. Now, military members are a protected class, and home sellers, lenders, and landlords may no longer block housing from this group. In the past, military members have found themselves blocked from using their VA entitlement to purchase homes, or landlords denied applications because of the service member's potential for postings or long duty assignments. No more. Meanwhile, homes on the Eastern Shore saw inventory rise again this week to 1,736 homes for sale, with 130 due on the market soon. 181 homes went under contract, reflecting a slight increase week over week. 113 homes sold this report at 98.7% list to sold ratio and in 20 days. Homes for lease rose to 115 at a median $2,000 per month. And that's a wrap for this week's Maryland Eastern Shore Report for Friday, September 20th, 2024. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. I'll see you next week. Take care.